Hello and welcome back. Today's my birthday, so I'm doing some fun with my makeup. Starting out by priming my eyelids with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Beige. For the eyes, I'm starting with the Makeup Revolution x Fortnite Llama palette in the shade The Storm all over the lid. I really wanted a wash of lavender all over the lid with a pink sparkle on top, so that's what I went with. Deepening the outer corners with a slightly darker purple in the shade Royale. The subtle depth this shade adds with the lid shade is perfect. Topping the lid with the pink glitter shade, Poet, from the Toddy Beauty palette. Pink and purple are my favorite colors, so I had to have my birthday makeup incorporate the two. Starting by using the Laura Geller Hydrating Spackle Primer. Covering my dark circles and anywhere I want extra coverage with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Beige. Between filming this May 3rd and finishing editing May 6th, I've since had my birthday and was sick all weekend running fevers, so this video is 2 days late lol. Using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Liquid Camo Blush in Dusty Rose before foundation. I've decided I really like layering the cream blush under foundation. It just looks more blended and almost natural. For my base, I'm going in with a mix of the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Liquid Filter in shade 1 and the Revlon Colorstay Foundation in 110 Ivory. I concentrate most of the foundation on the lower half of my face, then I use a sheer amount of the remaining product to lightly go over the blush to really help it blend and look softer and more natural. Adding a little extra coverage across the nose and under eyes with the last of the foundation. Setting my base with the Coty Air Spun Powder in Translucent with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Powder Puff. Pressing in powder where I get oily, crease or have pores. Using a powder brush to lightly set the rest of my face and dust any extra powder away. Using the Makeup Revolution x Fortnite Face Palette for bronzer to warm up the face. Continuing with the same face palette, I'm using the blush topper to add a little more pink and shine back to the cheeks. Highlighting with the same face palette, it's so shiny and bright. I have always loved a bright highlight. Framing the bottom lash line with the lid shade The Storm. Using setting spray to wet my brush and applying the shade Rift on the inner corner for shine. Melting the powders with the Mannakadar Skincare Hydration Happy Mist. Going in and lightly filling in my brows with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Instant Lift Brow Pencil in deep brown. I really just swipe it over the brow hairs to give them a tint of color and fill in the tail of my brows more. Setting the brows in place all day with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Brow Lift. This gel holds all day, even through sweat. Lining and tight lining my eyes with the e.l.f. Cosmetics No Budge Retractable Eyeliner in black. I have pretty wet eyes, and it lasts all day. Finishing off the eyes with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lash and Roll Mascara in black. Best lengthening and separating mascara I've tried. I wanted a soft pink lip, so I went with the Makeup Revolution X Fortnite Cuddle Team Leader Gloss. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.